Hello children, today we are going to learn types of animals. In this video, we are going to see the different types of animals. All of us see many animals around us. Some animals live in forest, some lives in farm, and other lives in our houses. Some are big and some are small. Different types of animals are wild animals, domestic animals, pet animals, birds, insects, water animals, and amphibians. Now let's see these types of animal in detail. Wild animal. The animals that live in forest or jungle are called wild animals. They search for their food and shelters on their own. Examples for wild animals are giraffe, elephants, bear, lion, and many more. We can see many of the wild animals in the zoo also. Domestic animals. The animals that are useful to us and we keep them on the farm are called domestic animals. We provide them food and shelters, and in return they work for us and they give us useful things. Examples of domestic animals are cow. Cow gives us milk. Sheep. Sheep gives us wool. Hens. Hens gives us eggs and chicken. Horse. Horse are used to carry load and pull carts. Pet animals. The animals that live in our homes are called pet animals. Examples of pet animals are dogs, cats, rabbit, parrot, and many more. Birds. Birds are flying animals which have feathers on their body. They have two wings to fly and a beak to eat their food. Examples of birds are pigeon, crow, sparrow. There are birds which cannot fly. Examples are penguin, ostrich, and many more. Insects. Insects are small animals. They have 6 or more legs. Most insects have wings to fly, but there are many insects which cannot fly. Examples of insects are butterfly, ladybugs, grasshoppers, honeybees, and many more. Water animals. Animals that live in water are called water animals. Examples of water animals are fish, octopus, seahorse, dolphins, and many more. Amphibians. Animals that live both on land and in water are called amphibians. Examples are frogs, salamander, and many more. Hope you like my video. Please share my video with your friends and family. And don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thank you.